Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your HUAWEI MediaPad T3, for the first you have to click on the calendar, and right now you have to click on this marker. Right now we can add the title, and also we can set up here other things like location. We can also change the date. If you set up everything, you can also click more here. If you set up everything, you just click on this marker in the right upper corner to confirm, and right here is our event. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.